Had the front door open in that Lash DPU. Nice power there. Over on main track number 2, westbound, right around Mammoth 73.2. We're at the mill. Port, stack train going to Long Beach. Cap 10. KAP 10. Got about a half-hour daylight left. We've been out here all day. We got some real good video for you guys, so stay tuned. We're combining videos now and trying to get them all over 8 minutes if we can, so if you see a video and looks like it's going to end, hang in there for a few more seconds. It probably has another train. Instead of posting all those 2-minute and 3-minute and 4-minute videos. I see DPUs. I wonder if they're a trail or mid. Look like they're mid, which means we got a monster. Elephant style. Pulling a Z train. So they hooked a Z train to a port train. They do that a lot out here. Mega monsters. I think we had 3 or 4 up top, and that was 3 in the middle, so we got a few on the end. We're going to have a big number. Still got a pretty big number, probably 7 or so. Rain's going to be coming any time now. We got 3 layers on. It's been cold all day. It's like we didn't have a fall. It just went from summer to winter. It's quite warm yesterday. I smell brakes burning. To me, it smells like graphite. Like when they drill out a bowling ball. Alright, railroad fans. I know you like that. Subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up, share with your family and friends. Help us out on Super Chat, Patreon, and become a club member. We need gas money. Alright, we love you guys. We'll catch you on the next one. Take care. Thanks for watching, and watch a couple more. This is our producer, Buddy. He wants to know why you haven't subscribed to the channel yet. Please hit us up with a like and super thanks. Love you guys. We'll catch you on the next one. Hey, buddy. Buddy. We have to do a video, buddy. Okay. Catch you on the next one.